Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Planning Engineer Academy. So in today class, we will learn how to create a new project in Primavera P6 step by step. We will cover EPS structure, different methods to create project, Gantt chart, OBS assignment, project details, copying and deleting projects. So let's get started. So in my about the EPS, already I explained in my last video, but due to the time limitation, I could not explain in better way. Actually, I explain in very short. So in today class, we'll understand about the EPS in Primavera P6. Since as I told you that we will keep the alternate class, one for the software and second one for the planning concept. So we'll go with this concept only. Okay, so today class is for the software. So now in this class we will understand about the EPS in Primavera Basics. Okay, so let's see. So this is my software. Okay, so first of all you have to download your software. It is very easy to download this software, and it is very if somebody is having 4 GB RAM, 2 GB RAM in laptop, so it, they also can download this software. It is not a big software, it is not a heavy software. Okay, so this software can run any on any of the laptop. It is not a big issue. Okay, so let's see. Today we'll understand, as I told you, today is the EPS. Okay, what is the EPS? EPS is the enterprise project structure. Okay, so what is the enterprise project structure? So first we'll see here. We'll go here in the enterprise, and then we'll click on the enterprise project structure. Okay, so this is the enterprise project structure. So see, this is showing in table form. Okay, from here we can change in chart form also. So it will show in chart. Right, chart is like hierarchy. Okay, so if you define the EPS, so how we can uh, define what is the EPS. So EPS is the highest level of hierarchy in Primavera. Okay, so you can say it is the highest level of hierarchy. Hierarchy means, so you can see here. I'll just zoom in. You can see here. Just I created one project in the name of the Vartika Construction Company. This is the name of the Vartika Construction. So what you can see here. This is the company. Okay, this is the company name, and this person is, whether he can be owner, he can be CEO, he can be CEO, or any authorized person. Okay, so this is the company, and he is the responsible person for the company. Okay, in this company there is four sector. Okay, four sector, one, two, three, four. Okay, so this is the company, and this Binuswar is the responsible person, and this name is representing the sector of this company. Some people say division. Okay, so division. So sector means in this company work in four division. Four division means this is the BNF. BNF means this sector, in this sector company work in building only. Okay, this is the PTND. PTND already I explained in my first or second video also about this. PTND means what? Power and not PND. It's P. It's my mistake. Okay, so I apologize for this. Okay, so I made mistake here. Actually, this is PTND. Okay, this is not PND. PTND means power transmission and distribution. This is the sector. Okay, so this company work in distribution sector also. Okay, this is the infra. Okay, infra means road and highway. So this company work in good in maybe also. Okay, and this is wait means this company work in pipeline. Okay, this company lay the pipe underground pipe, like sewage for the sewage water, for the drain water, like this. You understand? If you understand na, what I'm trying to say, you can see wet sector. You know what is the wet sector? Wet sector is you can see in the if you are going somewhere by the road, so you can see the side of the road that some drain is going. Okay, so or some underground the road, or that in below this road soldier, some underground pipe is going. So that pipe is for what purpose? That pipe is for the drain purpose. That pipe might be for sewage purpose. So this type of work company do, suppose. Okay, so in this sector, suppose this is a separate sector na. So in this sector company was in, just I'll take example of one. This is the sector. This is a building sector. Okay. So in this sector, in this division, it might be four project going on. Four project going on. Okay. So four project going on. So this is the company. This is the might be owner or CEO or CEO who is the responsible person for this company. And inside the company there is four division, and in this division every division having four, five, six, seven projects. Okay, so now this EPS is done. What is the EPS? How to create EPS? So today we will create the EPS. Okay, we'll create the EPS and we'll see. Okay, today in front of you, you also do one thing. You just keep making note with me, and you can practice also. I think it is very good way to keep memorize the things. Okay, so you have to just keep practice with me. Okay, so everyone ready? So let's see. So we have to go here, select enterprise project structure, and I'll change from here chart to table view. Okay, so I came here, and from here I add here this navigation arrow. So from navigation arrow, I'll here, and I will write here planning engineer academy. This is it. So this is the my EPS. Okay, I can give the EPS code also. So PEA is the code. Okay, how close from here? Like close to show you what is this. See, I created EPS, but it is not showing. Okay, suppose in some case it's happened sometime. I created the EPS. I worked in Primavera. I add the activity, but it is not showing on the software. Okay, so what you will do? You just go here, file, and refresh the one. So it will show here. Okay, somebody is faced this issue. That's why I called. Okay, so now we come to the EPS. So enterprise. This is the EPS. Inside this EPS, I told you four sector is there. Delete one sector. Four sector is there. What? This is the I'll just write building. Building. This is the PTND. This is the road and highway. Highway. This is the. You can see here. I created the EPS. Done. EPS done. EPS done or not? Done, na? So for this EPS, for this is the sector. So I'll go here, and from here I will add inside this building sector. I have the project. So see, this EPS is automatic selecting the building sector. But suppose you have to change something else. Suppose you have to link with something else. So you can select the you can give the EPS to the project. So since it is taking automatically, so I think it is good for this. So I have to create the project inside this building sector. So I have to just go here. Right? It has circle. So next, and then here I will give uh, the project ID. So you have to just decide this what unique ID you have to give. So suppose I have to what shall I take? Project ID. What shall I will take shall I take? PPE. Okay, let me take. Suppose what name you have to give. So as per the name, we generate the project ID. So suppose this is the project name. Sorry, I have to take the project name. So what project name shall I give? Hmm, planning engineer practicing. No, 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 no. It is not good. I have to give some construction company name. So I'm just giving ABC construction company. ABC ABC project. Okay. So here you can give ABCP. This is the project name. Okay. Project starting on suppose today. It may be in future also. It is not confirmed. It might be in future. It might be this project is probably start in March, April. Sometimes we will do the pre scheduling. Okay, so pre scheduling for pre scheduling we just assume the expectation date for a start. So we can any date. So suppose I am keeping today. This is next, and this who is the responsible person for this project. So for this, see this OBS is coming from where? So before creating the WBS, we have to create the sorry. Before creating the EPS, we have to create the OBS. OBS means, as I told you in my last video, you can see already I explained in that OBS is the organization breakdown structure, and you can see there. Okay, so before going to the EPS, you have to just prepare the OBS. Okay, OBS means the person who is working in the organization. It may be project manager, project director, CEO, whoever. Okay, so suppose for this project, the uh, responsible person is Rakesh. So I am assigning this role to the Rakesh. So Rakesh is the responsible person for the project. Rakesh is it might be whether he is project manager or project director or whatever. Okay. So if you can assume next standard rate, you have to always select the standard rate. Okay. So next finish. So this project is created. Okay. This project is created. So we go here in chart, the chart. Okay. So you can see here in the date, the project started on this date, and we'll keep some expecting finishing date. Suppose this project has to be completed in 2 months. While we'll do the bidding for the project, so we propose this project will be completed within in 2 years, within 6 months, like that. Okay, so I'm just taking 2 months. 2 months is 24, 20 April months. 25th April. Okay, so I'll do just one thing. I'll go here. I'll not complete the must finish date. Okay, so I'll keep this start date of this project. Suppose this is the project. So I started on 11 this project and going to complete on this date. Okay, so I'll show you. So first you have to just do the um you have to just do the your activity. First you have to complete the activity in this project, and then it will come to the um finishing date. Okay, suppose now this is the release project I completed here. I work project. So I'll go here in my project. This is the EBC project. No? In this project, first I'll do the if something is wrong, so it will show here, right? This is the project, and inside the project, you can see here. I can show I can show here. So this is a chart. Okay, so you can see here. This is a chart. This is a chart. Okay, for this project, I'll show you this Banda project. So this project is being started on 11th August 25th and ending on this 30th October. Okay. So this actually I started on this date. Okay. So since I have not started any activity, so it is not showing in my project. So I'll add the activity here. So this project completed. Okay. I added the project. So I'll do one thing. I will open project. I'll do the open project. So once I done this open project, it will come to the activity. Okay. So here your role is in. Okay. So okay. So finally we came to the activity. So this is the projector. Okay. So inside the projector, many WC will come. WC means work break structure. Okay. So we'll come to this also. Okay. And here is presenting the Gantt chart. So what is the Gantt chart? You can see here. This is the Gantt chart means something which represent the activity start date and the finish date. Suppose this project. Suppose you can see this. This is a school building project. Actually, this work, this building. Okay. So I have worked on that project. So this is the building project. Okay. So suppose this project. This is for example. Okay. So this is the project. A school project, and this project is starting on 21st May, okay, and finishing on the 30 May. So this is the Gantt chart. So if someone is asking you what is the Gantt chart, you can say that. So Gantt chart is representing the activity start date and activity finish date. It help us to visualize understanding the project schedule. Okay, and then here in this project, I will explain customization. What is the customization? Customization is, you can see here, in this project, it is showing the finish project manager budget da, 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 da. Okay, but if you are working somewhere in your project and your boss is asking you to give them the baseline start, B1 start, B1 finish, and actual start, actual finish. What is the B1 and B1 start baseline means what? I already told in my last video. You can see that. Okay, I don't want to repeat again. I think repetition is a waste of time. That's right. Okay, so that hopefully that this repetition will increase my video length. That's why. So see, this is the customization. So suppose I have to add here. If your boss asks that, "Hello, Mister, you just give me the uh, plan versus actual." So plan versus actual means the baseline and actual. So I just go here and that I'll add. Um, sorry. I just I go here in column, customize, and then I'll go here and then I just search. Okay, you can just check here. Many things is there. What your boss is asking or what you require in your future. So you can just, like, suppose as I told you, your boss is requesting you to uh, what's this give the baseline. So you can baseline or actual. So you can just go here. I just select here baseline start, baseline one finish, baseline one start, baseline one finish, and then actual start, actual finish. Okay, this is a navigation one. Suppose this baseline should come after the project name. Baseline should come after the actual start date should come after baseline and this. Okay, just apply. You can see here it has added baseline start, baseline finish. So this is the customization. Okay, so you will get many things from here. So you also just check okay, what you need. So according to your requirement, you can search from here and you select. Suppose if you are in hurry and you don't have much time to check manually like this, so you just go here and the shortcut is Control F. Just remember Control F. While you will do this Control F, so this option will come. So here you can search like BL. Okay, BL1, BL1 is not coming. It may be there is a gap, that's why it's not coming. Since why BL1 is not coming, since already I selected here BL1, BL2. Okay, so what is remaining in this list that is showing B1, BL2, BL3. Okay, so what you need, you just go and search here. Okay, this is shortcut for you. Okay, so this Gantt chart also finished, customization also finished in Primavera. Now we'll discuss on the customization detail. Okay, customization bottom in detail window. What is detail window? This is the detail window. Okay, this is the detail window. General heads, notes, book, budget, spending, budget summary. Actually, why I am recording this lecture in English, because somebody has requested that why you are not making the video in in English. So I think yes, sir. See, it is not my intention to make the video in English. Okay, because see, I'm not give much importance to the language. See, language does not matter. Matter is the your skill. Okay, so what you are learning, what you have the skill, that is the most important. Okay, language is the not important. Okay, since but everybody is not like that. Okay, so I think it may be some people are not being able to understand the lecture in the Hindi. That's why. So so I'll do something. I will not record this lecture in Hindi or English. I will record in both languages. Okay, so let's see. So see, this is the customized column. So I'll just go here, and this is the customized object. So from here, I can do. So suppose this default is not required. So this is the arrow. Remove from list. I'll go here. Select. See, don't select this. Okay. If you select this all what you have added here. This all will be go back. Okay. So just remember, just single only. Don't select this. Okay, so this see the default was showing here. This was showing here. So once I selected, and I just send it back, it will remove from here. It's not showing default. So this is the customization for bottom details. So for today is this much only. So for next video, I will discuss about the other things. Thank you.